was recommended to book this place, and you have to book it in advance. And there were 2 set menu options, but I chose the curry one. And I haven't had much chat curry in this trip thus far. I also went to Teshima Art Museum just then, and it's a really cool space. It was like a water droplet shaped building with 2 massive holes in the top of the roof, and the entire structure is just made out of concrete. There's no pillars, it's just like a shell. It was surprisingly really cool inside, temperature wise. It was such a hot day, but everyone was just lying on the floor on the cool concrete. I almost fell asleep. Like, it was so zen, so relaxing. Bruh, what the fuck? I sat there and I drew for a little bit. So there were 2 holes. One you could like see the sky, and then the other one was facing the trees. And there were also these water droplets on the ground that apparently they come from the mountains. And then there's like little holes in the ground where the water seeps through in a very like slow and controlled way. And then also little holes where like water will come out of. So then I drew some water droplets as well. And everyone was just like lying on the ground sleeping. And then the entrance was also a hole, and it just looked really, really cool. And then I bought some cute tape designed by the artist. It was just such a cool space, and I could literally stay there for the whole day. And it's like right next to these rice paddy fields. Loki reminds me of the Arboretum in Canberra. And that would be, if they had a piece of architecture like that at the Arboretum or in Canberra, oh my god, Canberra would become like such a cool art hub. I can see the vision. Screw politics, screw the Parliament House. Just put art in it, low key. That's like Tasmania. And Tasmania does have, it's got Moda. It has a really cool art stuff. So I actually really want to go to Tasmania again. But anyways, yes, this building, the Teshima Art Museum, it's right next to these rice paddy fields, and it just looks so scenic. I might just go back to bike ride around, not to sound brain rot, but I fear this may just heal me. I fear this may heal me. I fear I'll come back. I fear I will come back a changed person. I fear I have found myself. This is me realizing I've never had lemon ice cream before. I've only ever had lemon sorbet. This is sweeter and creamier. Did I just get a recording of my heartbeat? I fear I have lost the plot. I love Teshima. It's so cute. That was my last time at Osakaya, the little restaurant in Uno. And I think it's a family that owns a restaurant. And the old lady, I'm guessing she's the mum, she said my nails were cute. She was like, kawaii. And then I was like, it's Smithy. And then the other lady, the one who was serving me the other night, she was like, did you get it done in Australia? And I was like, yeah, oh, she remembers me. But then it also made me kind of sad because I'm never going to see them again in my whole entire life. And that's like the last interaction that we will ever have in our lives. Maybe I'll be back. It was just so cute because it was like an old grandma who was saying my nails were cute. And I want to cry. There's fireworks. And they're really pretty, like, how's it changing color like that? What the hell?